Welcome to SingUp. In this video, we'll be taking a look at SingUp's Whiteboard feature, an easy-to-use, customizable tool for facilitating group singing and learning. The Whiteboard allows you to see a song's lyrics and notation scrolling in time with audio. Let's take a look at it in action on a song page. Songs with multiple singing parts display notation by default, while songs that have only one part default to a lyrics-only display. But this is only the beginning of what the Whiteboard can do. Let's start by switching to full screen. You can switch quickly between lyrics and notation using the microphone button. We can select which recording we want the Whiteboard to play back to us. In this case, we have a demo performance track and a backing track. Songs with multiple parts to learn may also have rehearsal tracks. Next, we'll open up the Settings panel. Here, we can use the zoom function to adjust the size of the Whiteboard's display. We can decide exactly what we want the Whiteboard to show. Just the lyrics, lyrics with notation, lyrics with chord symbols, or all three. For songs with ukulele parts, we can hide or show the notation, tab, and note beaming. If there's a particular passage of a song you're having difficulty with, you can highlight it and play it in a loop. You can even slow it down by adjusting the tempo to make it easier to practice. There are different visualizations available, including the waveform of the audio track and a keyboard option. If you want to prepare a selection of songs ready for a lesson, assembly or rehearsal, you can create a playlist, find it in the My Library area, and then open it in Whiteboard mode. This allows you to switch quickly between the songs you've chosen. SingUp's Whiteboard feature will transform your singing and support children and young people to read music notation. Visit singup.org now to explore membership options. Become a friend to preview our collection of songs and resources, and try some for free.